Friends, today we're going to see how to make turmeric fried chicken, or we call this golden fried chicken. It's made it from the fresh turmeric root. It's delicious and easy to make at home. Let's see what you need. Friends, welcome to the channel Food is God Gift. Please click subscribe button and click that bell button and you will get notification every day. Please like and share and comment. Thank you. This golden fried chicken or turmeric fried chicken is so delicious, and you can serve for as an appetizer or as a side for the rice. To make this turmeric fried chicken, all you need is a chicken. Today I have a skinless and boneless chicken thighs. I cut to bite size. Ginger garlic paste, onion, turmeric root, chili flakes, coriander powder, cumin powder, pepper powder, salt. That's it, friend. It's easy. So today I'm using the fresh turmeric root. So we're going to pound it, this turmeric and onion and a little bit salt. So this is the basic ingredient. We need to pound it. So we're going to pound it until we get nice kosher texture. So this is going to be our marination paste that is going to give nice flavor. It's very mild flavor. We don't add any chili powder, curry powder, garam masala. It's very basic and it's very mild, but the flavor is so good, friends. You should try this recipe because it's simply delicious and it goes so well with any dishes or side. So now I'm just keep pounding. Now it's ready, friends. Let's see how to marinate our chicken. So friends, this is a basic ingredient to make the chicken satay also. So if you like to make chicken satay, you can use the same marination to make the chicken satay. It's a Malaysian chicken satay. So we're going to marinate. First I just add the ginger garlic paste, salt and chili flakes. Once we add it, we're going to add that the pounded paste. Now I'm just give nice coated on the chicken, so we don't have any flour or anything. So you just give nice coating and let it set marination for at least 1 hour, friends. So it should be very easy while we prepare other stuff. So for the light coating, I just add about 1 teaspoon corn flour, 1 teaspoon all-purpose flour and coriander leaf. So we are just give nice mix. It should be very simple, but the taste amazing and it will go so well for our nasi lemak. So friend, please check the description below how to make homemade nasi lemak, and this is going to be our chicken side for our nasi lemak. So friend, I just add the oil and I just heat this oil. I'm just start adding all that chicken. So we need to have a little gap in between. So let's fry this chicken until fully cooked. It should be take each side 5 minutes. So the total cooking minutes should be 10 minutes for fully cooked. So once it's done arranging all side, we're going to lid on and cook for 4 minutes. And once it's done, we're going to cook without lid for 1 minute, and we're going to turn to other side and we're going to cook another 5 minutes. So friends, this is the method: slow, medium, high cook. So let it cook completely. It's done now. So now I have one paper towel. I'm going to drain all that excess oil and we're going to have a nice crispy and delicious golden chicken fry. So it's really tasty, friends. I really want you guys try this recipe. It goes so well for any as a side or appetizer. So friend, for this chicken you always can serve with the peanut sauce or kuah satay. I will post the video soon. So friend, I hope you enjoy. Before you leave, click that subscribe button and the bell button to get the notification. Thank you, friends.